Uh, a guy asked me what the status of my Silverado pickup is. I thought I'd tell you. So here it is, parked in a garage and flat tires. So you know it's been here a while. So the problem was underneath the floor, the cab mounts on the front, not on the frame, but on the body were gone. They were just destroyed. So I bought a parts truck and I welded new floors in on both sides. And you can see some of the stitch lines right there. I installed the nice doors now. Doors look good. I have new fenders. No, this is not the new fender. This is the old fender. I got a different hood. It's got a little dent in it, unfortunately, but it's much less rusty, much better shape. I actually have a bed to replace this bed, and I replaced these doors, the extended cab doors, and the front doors. So I replaced most of the sheet metal in this. This door hasn't been changed yet. This door is still has to get changed out. But this fender is new, brand new. Fender's brand new. Anyway, so cleaned up the carpets. This is the original carpet, but I power washed it. Interior is in pretty good shape now. Still gotta put a few pieces together, but overall, it's pretty much back together. Anyway, so this is pretty much it. And once I get this back together and running good, then I'm gonna sell it and work on a new truck. So there you go. I'll talk to you later.